Welcome back to Nunez family. Today we will be making enchiladas. In here we have a chuck roast seasoned with pepper and garlic salt with slices of onions, and we added halfway of water. So we're gonna put our timer 6 hours and we just wait. These are the items you would need to make enchiladas. I make mine easy. So we're gonna need some yellow corn tortillas. Those are the best to make enchiladas because they don't break apart. You're gonna need some cheese. And I use this kind of sauce, the enchilada sauce. That's my easy way of making it. We're about to start our enchiladas. We're gonna open up a can of enchilada sauce and we're just gonna have it simmer. I already shredded the meat, and we're gonna get the tortillas and we're just gonna heat them up. We're gonna add them to the sauce and they should be looking like this. So after we roll them and once your enchiladas are all completed, we're just gonna go ahead and put some cheese on top.